Install video, BD Diesel, Noise Isolator, 2001 Dodge Cummins, part number 1300030. Hope I didn't put too many zeros in there. Okay, I'm going to show you just how easy the install is on this BD cable kit. Got a little power tap right here, a little instant tap. This goes into your orange and dark blue wire on the C1 connector on the controller. The other end goes to your ground. Clean up your ground. Install a little dielectric grease on it, and it goes right back in here with that big screw. So just pierce the tap right down here. Put a little grease on it to be safe. You can get some to come out of your tube. Again, you're going to want your orange and dark blue wire, which I have handy here. Again, stick that in, screw it in. So, pretty simple. Very simple. Okay, it's supposed to be pretty simple. But that's all you gotta do. No other way to do it. You just take your round wire, a little grease on the connector, and let the grease here on the contact. Just can't see a damn thing. There I go. Here it is. I did it on top. All in together. Put your bolt back in. It's just a 8mm socket. Screw all this back down. Of course, I'm doing this real fast so you can see it, but you know, it'll take a little more time when you do it. And that's it. And there's your APS wiring. So it's a 2001, so it'd be 9603 orange and dark blue. You just tap it in, this connector right here, orange and dark blue, hook it to the ground, you're done. It's just that simple. The BD Diesel has the part number 1300030. Alright, hope that helps somebody.